Hello guys, this is Robert from Canada. I give you some tips, that's why I make this video for the new beginners and how to save money and not using a dryer in the laundry room. So I give you tips because it's in Canada now. It's warm weather and windy, so instead use the machine or the power electric. I give you some tips how to do that. It's very easy and very useful if you're living in America and Canada or the cold countries. So this is it. This is the dry clothes I have last night. Okay guys, you see the techniques and tips for you for the newcomers in Canada or US or the cold countries. Now is season, so you can use that, especially season of spring. Now is spring now, May. You feel a little bit windy and warm weather. So tomorrow you cannot do that for hanging the clothes, the wet clothes in the front of your house, of your back of the house, or side of your house, because it's raining by tomorrow with thunderstorm. So that's only I can give to you the tips for now. See, there's a little bit windy and hot summer day. It's Saturday today, 11:26 a.m. So for now, before going to biking after breakfast, we going with my daughter in the hill. So that's all I give to you a tips, especially like me. I'm only one working in Canada, Saskatchewan. So if you would save money, because I'm the only one, the breadwinner here in the family. So instead using my dryer in laundry room, just washing, put soap and the other like Downy for smoother. That's the only kind tip to you. And one thing, guys, if you see at night, uh, there's a star and moon and nice weather at night, you can start hanging the clothes, the clean clothes, in your place, or especially in the front or the backyard or the side of your backyard or in the front. It depends. The important, you you dry until tomorrow. Like me, see, you see the other blue basket, plastic basket. I harvest that today only because I put that around 9 o'clock p.m. last night, so it's dry. So a little bit save and work it. So that's only advice to you if you're in Canada or America or some other Europe countries, especially there's a winter, you can do that. And another thing, tips, I always do that before in the other place here in this city. I put it inside the vehicle because direct sun in coming in the vehicle. Instead, you cannot use your vehicle because I have a before we have a 5 vehicle in other apartment. So only now is 3 or 4 vehicle now because I'm using that every summer. That's the second tips. I put it inside the vehicle, the wet clothes, especially the children clothes, towel, blankets, pants, shirts, jacket, etc. Blah blah blah. TikTok, boom boom boom. So that's only the second tips to you. If you want hanging, if you have a place to do that, why not, right? So it's up to you. And the three thing is put your clothes in the basement if you have a time or if you have a extra space there. Make a new hanging stick like that in the the curtain, adjustable curtain stick with in the bathroom. See, hanging stick extendable for the curtain in the bathroom. See, that's what I'm using. Plus a little bit black strap. It's up to you. See, easy and very useful with wind and hot warm weather. Okay, especially I do that season of spring and summer. See, it's hot weather. See, it's hot inside the vehicle because we're going to biking. We need to use a jacket going to the hill with my daughter. So it's time to biking now for vlogging again. So see you guys. And one thing, if you put the clean clothes inside the vehicle, make sure that it's locked. I always do that how many times, since every time, even in the street, the vehicle, or in the proper parking lot slot in other apartments. So we are in the bungalow type. Everywhere I put the clean clothes coming from the washing machine. It's up to you. See, inside the vehicle, it's too hot. So the clothes and then the direct sun inside the vehicle, it works. So that's only I give to you a tip. Whether you're hanging there in front of your house, backside, or in the basement, that's the third. If you feel in the basement without aircon, you can hang in there. You make your own style how to hang your clean clothes or wet clothes. So this is the second. Inside the vehicle, you can leave that after washing from morning until the afternoon. But that's the all my friends and guys. I hope you like this video. Just click the button and subscribe for new videos to come. Okay? I have lots of tips now. So see you again. Thanks.